It has two main provisions. It implements new procedures to allow family members to report unsafe drivers of any age based on medical or cognitive issues. It also increases the age that Illinois drivers must take a behind the wheel driving test from 79 to 87, impacting 348,000 motorists. Illinois is currently the only state in the nation that mandates driving tests based on age. We have been that way for at least 15 years. This is legislation that eliminates age discrimination.
And it broke my heart to take calls from senior residents. You know, life is tough enough for our seniors across this state, but the phone calls we got from people who were being required to show up year after year for driver's tests, particularly during the pandemic, where they're having to jump into a vehicle with someone they have no idea who they are. They may be state employees, but they've never met these people in their lives. This really removes that discrimination component that has driven these people and raised their anxiety levels to the point where they would call in tears.